Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my unboxing video for the Superbox S1. Taking the cover off, you see that the Superbox has a nice cover around it. When you take that out, that's when you get the first glimpse at the quality of this Android box. Looking at it, it has all the normal inputs, HDMI, power input, and anything else that you need. So let's look into it. When you open the box, you see all the parts that you need to set up and get up and running. First of all, let's look at the remote. Pretty straightforward, exactly what you'd expect. There's an aerial connected to it as well, and I suppose this is to get different signals. Just screw that to the back of the Superbox. Next, we'll take out the power cable, and you can connect that to your Superbox as well. Just look at the input section in the back and plug it in. The good thing is it already comes with a HDMI, so you don't have to worry about getting a spare one. Take the protective coverings off the HDMI, untangle it, and you can plug it into your Superbox. The good thing is it also has a user guide inside. It's pretty straightforward, nothing too heavy, just tell you all the parts that come with the Superbox and all the things that you need to know about setting it up. It also gives you all the specifications. So looking back at the Superbox, let's plug the HDMI in, and once that's done, you can see it also has USB inputs on the side, which is really helpful for viewing media and turning any TV into a smart TV. Once you've set up your Superbox and you've gone through the initial stages, this means that you can log into your Google Play account. I'd advise you to create one if you don't already have one and then log in. It can be a bit long trying to create one on the system. Once you've created it, just enter your details and then you have full access to the Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, you can download all the normal apps that you would download on your phone. In fact, I noticed that when you actually go into your Google settings, it sees the Superbox S1 as one of your mobile devices. So that means you can clear it from anywhere that you are if you lose it or you just don't want your information on it anymore. It's good to download a few apps. You can get apps like YouTube and start using it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have found it helpful, remember to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. What's your experience with Android boxes? And if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to TechLoto. Remember to visit the Patreon page where you can support the channel, and don't forget to visit the website.